custom exhaust then link from 90 different places.
Yeah, that's it. Looks so good.
Build second up, gets about 3k, send her home.
Holy shit. That's like, oh fuck! Yeah. Someone's woke it up.
Well, I mean, it should go around the roundabout fairly quick now as well. You'll get a feel for it, you know what I mean? How's that feel?
Yeah, it's never stopped that before. Oh, it fucking burbles on diesel. Fucking Christ. Oh, shall I go back in?
Go down the street, yeah, turn onto the street in second. And
down here?
And then, yeah, give it some big lifts. But just remember, like I say, when you get these all new brakes. So.
Fucking hell. Right. I'll wait till we're off.
You're on, boy. You're on. You're on, boy. You're on. You're on.
Fucking hell. Oh, right. Jesus, what a weapon. Holy shit. Oh.
Fucking brilliant.
I've never drove it like that ever. Never. I've like babied it everywhere.
Because it never went like
No.
that.
Oh my
Obviously
God.
don't turn it on.